How to get golden notes, and if you also want to upload or post the golden notes on your Instagram account, how you can do it, follow these steps. For a user to create some gold notes, it is a very simple process. First, it is important to ensure one is the most up-to-date version of the Instagram app. What you have to do is mainly you have to update your Instagram application to the latest version, then include one of the several phrases or emojis in the note, and it will turn the yellow color, or you can use it as gold. The key phrases are you can add gold, medal, Olympics, Olympian, champion, or the GOAT button to simply get this golden note option or feature available on your Instagram application. Simply type these things, and you will see that your note is turned from black color to the golden color, and it will appear in golden also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.